still going on YouTube. Good job. Thank you. Great. Another great hit of Amber. Pointless, but we got another video done. I'm still gonna keep recording. It's not the end, just to tell you that. Hey, don't click that mouse. Don't click that mouse on your pearls. That was stupid. That was.
We were supposed to do an activity during the drill, but I thought that we were eventually supposed to go outside.
I know, me too. Oh my gosh, we're gonna be out there for 3 hours. Yeah. Are you fucking serious?
Mario and Steven are supposed to grade binders that were not touched. So if you didn't get your binder graded, have either Mario or Steven do so. And if you guys want, you can read, or you can do the activity that Mario. What's the activity? Wow.
I want to be. What if we're good and we don't do anything? Hi, Kiana. Hi. So, what is your opinion of the whole fire drill shit? Exactly that. Hold on. What did you get done during the drill? I sat on the floor for about 20 minutes. That's nice. Me too. High five. Oh, I know. Miles farted in Dominic and Marco's face. And then Dominic has Dominic, and that's Marco. And then that's over there, Miles, and then Steven.
Amber, you're gonna bring my bike up.
You know what? Eat. Can we open the windows or something? I know, it's freaking hot. I apologize if the camera is pretty shaky. We just had an earthquake. Let's sing birthday sex. Birthday. I don't think she's gonna get mad. It's your birthday and I know you want to ride out. Think I got you a pin out. What the fuck is that? Oh, yeah. Are you guys really playing tassels? That's ghetto. The police snack and bring water. It's gonna be hot. Look at here in the classroom. I know. Dude, everybody's like, it's gonna take over 2 hours to bring a book and water. We're gonna be outside. We're gonna die. Jacqueline is a 7th grader. Supposedly the dead people that they were gonna bring. Wow. I wanted to be dead. Oh shit. They're gonna put him in like stretchers and everything. I wanted to be in the stretcher. That'd be true. Nico's actually working on it. Only behind the camera, Nico. He survived the earthquake. Yeah, because he followed Ms. Molly's directions. Good job, yeah. Yeah, because she told us this morning to... Why did they make such a big deal out of this? Wow. I know, everybody's like, okay, you guys have to get... Look, everyone's on the board. Dear attitude is take this earthquake drill seriously. Enjoy your spring break and do your best on the MLB metaphor. Love, sincerely, Miss Kristen. What the fuck? In English, you should look at her. Guys. Here, I know all the answers. Weren't you like shaking your head? Yeah, I'm gonna edit that part.
Top period, or you're doing K-bars.
Camera would have broke.
Yeah, because it's so gorgeous.
Whatever. I think you've seen his face, and you know he's not pretty.
Your camera would be like a big light.
So what do you think this whole thing was for? Do you think it was like...
I think it's for you.
What was the purpose of it? Shut up.
Oh my god, it's all bright. Can you not try to...
Yeah, okay. Even after the earthquake, we're still doing classwork.
I know, how bummed.
Kristen, can I interview you? Okay, what do you think the whole purpose of this shit was?
Why would you have to cut something? It's very deep. Shit.
And you're the one doing classwork. So, yeah, shut up.
Shut up.
That doesn't make sense. Can I? Okay, well, just cover your face.
No.
Hey, not afraid it's a break. I
already got that.
Hey, Gabriel. Laugh like SpongeBob. Gabriel. Gabriel. Laugh like SpongeBob.
The cup.
Is it Jack in the right pencil?
I know, we're gonna have one.
What did you do during the earthquake drill? Did you follow Ms. Mummy's directions? Yes, I did. Good for you. What are you doing now?
Let's watch out.
I'm talking about this worksheet. Major league, whatever. So, are you injured? Or are you dead? Are you dead? Okay. Just a little bit? Great, thanks. Stephanie, no, don't cut. Are you... What's your name again? Oh, what? It used up like over 15 minutes of this shit. I hope we don't have another drill because I'm out of memory. We're supposed to be what?
Nothing.
No, say it. Okay, say it again. What? I'm getting the desk. Look. What? Okay.
Memory.
Not a waste when you can pause the video and you can see your face. Mario, what are you doing behind Miss Kristen's desk?
Exactly.
Liar, shut up. Stop lying.
You don't have to shoot on the video.
Yeah. Ow.
How about we interview you at first?
What?
How about we interview you?
Okay, go ahead. Interview me. Yeah, we are. Yeah, we are. We're about to die.
Not very good. I'm sorry.
Okay, so did you follow Miss Molly's directions? No, I did not. I was videotaping this whole thing. Are you injured? Yes, partially from the brain. Are you frustrated? Very. Because we did shit. Now we were about to die, and yet we're still doing homework. I mean classwork. Stupid drill. Doesn't even work for shit. I know. Oh, the cops. Okay.
Are you disappointed?
Very. Because? Actually, no, because I got out of PE. And we didn't do shit all this period. Oh, not yet. We didn't get out of PE yet.
When you have PE?
Wait. 7th period. What?
Never mind. With like Bryce and Sandra?
Yep.
So fun that in the same PE class.
I guess.
Did she talk back to Miss Allen?
Yeah, any more questions?
No, this interview's done.
Okay, thank you. So, if you're asking yourself what we did this whole thing, nothing, we were fooling around in Miss Kristen's class.
No one cares.
B10, Gabriel Middle School. No one cares. I survived the San Diego earthquake drill.
Yeah, you were thinking of someone the whole time.
Thinking of who?
Someone.
Native people.
Exactly.
I'm like, huh?
Shanna said it.
I can say it louder.
You want me to say it louder?
No, Eli. Shut up! For your information, I don't like Eli. He doesn't even go to the school. He doesn't even go to the school. I don't even know him.
You don't even like him. You're just obsessed with him. You're just obsessed with him. Excessively.